If you spent the last year watching passive income videos and trying 3 or 4 of these models and they all somehow turned into part-time jobs, I want you to hear something. Passive income is not real. Not the way YouTube sells it anyway. Not the way the thumbnails show it anyway. Not the way the gurus describe it. I don't even use the phrase passive income anymore. I call it return on investment income. You build the asset once, then you spend a small number of hours each week maintaining it. The hours never go to zero, they go low, and there's a difference. In the next few minutes, I'm going to rank the 6 businesses that show up in every Make Money While You Sleep video by their actual weekly hours after the launch is done. Not during, after. 4 of them are side jobs in disguise, but 2 of them actually clear the bar. Here's how I rank them. Every online business has 2 numbers. The first is the build number. That is how many hours it takes to set things up, create the product, get the page live, and write the first email. The second number is the maintenance number. That is how many hours per week it takes to keep it running once it's launched. Most videos show you the first number but skip the second one. So you get sold the dream. You build the thing. Then the maintenance number you were never told about hits you in week 3. You quit because you thought you were buying yourself time, but in reality you actually bought yourself a second job. I'm going to give you both numbers for all 6. We're going to count down from worst to best. Number 6 has the highest weekly hours after launch. Number 1 has the lowest. Let's go. Number 6, membership communities. The build cost is moderate. You set up a school or circle community, you write a welcome email sequence, and record a few intro videos. Maybe 40 hours in total, which isn't bad. Then the maintenance hits. 12 hours a week. I'm not making this up. I actually have a few. DM replies take 3 to 4 hours. The weekly call you promise people takes 2 to 3 hours. Reaching out to members who are about to cancel takes another 2 hours. Updating content because you promised fresh weekly trainings takes another 3 hours. That is 12 hours a week, every week, forever. That is 600 hours a year for a business that is sold as passive. You could work a part-time evening job and make the same money with less stress. If you're already running a community and you love it, that's fine. Keep it going. But don't tell yourself it's passive because it's not. Number 5, print on demand. Here you upload designs, people buy shirts, the company ships them, it sounds passive. Here's the real maintenance. 3 new designs a week to stay visible on Etsy or Redbubble. That is about 3 hours. Returns and customer service emails take another 2 hours. Updating ads because the winning ad stops working takes 2 more hours. That's 7 hours a week, 350 hours a year. If you tried print on demand and quit, that's why. The maintenance number that nobody told you about caught up with the dream you were sold. Number 4, content libraries and paid courses. You record once and sell forever. Yeah, it sounds like the dream. The maintenance is about 5 hours a week. Answering student questions take about 2 hours. Updating one module every 6 months because things go out of date averages about 1 hour a week. Platform issues like broken videos or login problems take another hour. Refunds and occasional chargebacks take another hour. That's 5 hours a week, every week, until the course stops selling. And if you're still selling it, the questions never stop. I created a free 1-page worksheet for this video. It's called a maintenance math worksheet. You write down the model you're running, or think about running. Then you plug in your build number and your weekly maintenance number. It shows you your actual yearly hours. That way you can decide if it's really passive or just a part-time job. You can get it at notes.platformproof.com. The same email unlocks the worksheets for every other video too. Now on to number 3, automated email sequences. This includes newsletters with sponsors, affiliate email sequences, or lead magnets that lead to a product. You set up once, people join your list, the emails go out, and money comes in. The maintenance is about 3 hours a week. Making sure your emails are landing in inboxes instead of spam takes about another hour a week once you pass 1,000 subscribers. Growing your list through content or ads take at least another hour a week unless you want your list to stop growing. Updating emails and testing changes takes another hour. 3 hours a week is a fair number for a system that is working. Some weeks it's more, but it's rarely less. Now we get to the 2 that actually work. Number 2, template shops. This could be a Notion template, a Google Sheets template, a Canva pack, or even a spreadsheet. You build it once, you list it on sites like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your website, and people buy it. The maintenance is about 1.5 hours a week. Answering buyer questions takes about an hour. Updating the template a few times a year averages about to 30 minutes a week. And that's it. You build it once, you answer questions, and that's the whole job. That's about 75 hours a week for something that can keep paying you for years as long as the platform stays active. If you have any kind of work skill like spreadsheets, project management, design, or writing, you can build a template. If you've been using tools like Notion or Google Sheets at your job for a few years, you already have something somebody is willing to pay for. And number one, digital products. This is the lowest maintenance of anything on the list. It could be a short PDF guide, a workbook, a checklist, or even a small piece of software you build once and sell it between $9 and $47. The maintenance is about 1 hour a week. You might answer 3 to 5 emails from buyers. You might update your page or test a new price every few months, which averages about 20 minutes a week. This is the closest thing to being passive, not because there's no work, but because the work is so small, you can do it all on a Sunday morning and still have the rest of your day. That's about 50 hours a year for something that builds over time. Happy buyers come back or refer others. That's it. That's the list. Now let's compare. 2 of the 6 clear the low maintenance bar. Templates and digital products. Both involve building something once and barely touching it. Both come from skills you already use at work, in your hobbies, or past experience. The other 4 are not bad businesses, they're just not passive. Memberships, print on demand, courses, and email systems all take steady weekly work. They can make good money, but they trade your time for the money every single week. If your goal is to free up your time and earn from something you built once, only 2 models get you there: templates and digital products. Now let me show you some math. A membership at 12 hours a week times 50 weeks is 600 hours a year. That is 15 full working weeks a year for something that was supposed to be passive. A digital product at 1 hour a week times 50 weeks is 50 hours a year. That is just over 1 working week. Both can hit the same income goals. One takes 12 times more time. Same money, 12 times the hours. That is the real cost of the word passive. Now here's what I want you to do right now. Whatever model you're running, print on demand, freelancing, affiliate marketing, a course, a membership, or a newsletter, calculate it. Add your build hours to your weekly maintenance hours times 50. Get the yearly number and write it down. Then drop it in the comments. Share the model and the real hours per week. Be specific. For example, print on demand store, 8 hours a week, updating designs. Or membership, 14 hours a week, answering questions. Now, I read every comment, and I'll tell you which of the 2 low maintenance models, templates or digital products, you should switch to based on what you already know. If this made things click for you and you want to go deeper on the number 1 model, watch the next video. It breaks down how a $20 product works, why it works, and how to build one this weekend using the skills you already have. It's called the $20 product that makes me money every single day. It should be on your screen now. Click it, then come back and drop your hours in the comments.